UK trains have a few hidden tricks that even locals still get caught out by. First up, train splitting. It's one of those easy-to-miss details. A single train can actually split during the journey, with different sections heading to completely different destinations. Take Southern services from London Victoria Station, for example. At Haywards Heath, the train divides. The front coaches continue to Eastbourne, while the rear coaches head to Littlehampton. So before you board, always check the platform screens carefully and make sure you're sitting in the correct part of the train. And one more thing, TrainPal can automatically split your tickets to save you money, often cheaper than booking a single fare. Just open TrainPal, enter code SAVE123, and you'll get 10% off tickets plus 20% railcard discount.